know what, I actually get some questions from you guys, like how do I record my videos, how do I upload my videos, how do I bring them, just like upload them in high quality. My dear, my channel is here for you. I've actually made a video on that, so please go check my YouTube tips and tricks playlist, go check it out. And so today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how I record my videos using my phone, my iPhone, whatever phone you're using, Android, iPhone, iOS, like whichever. So be sure to watch to the end of the video, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jovu. Yeah, so if you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video, my darling. Welcome. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my upload, okay? No further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I do before I record my videos, I check for my storage space. I go to my settings, check general, go to iPhone stories, phone storage space, and then when I find out that okay, I think I can record like 3 videos today, I can, yeah, it's going to cover up, and then I edit them and I'll still have a little bit of space, but with 3 gig space because my phone is 32 gigabytes. So you can imagine the pressure I have. Sometimes I'll be recording my videos and I'll just like phone storage full, delete some stuff so you can continue your video. Like it's so annoying. So please check for your space before you record. Android, they have a lot of space. You can actually put in SD card, memory card for your phone. So please check for your storage space. That is the first thing you need to do, my dear. Check for it so you won't get disappointed when you're recording. The second thing you need to do, please go to a quiet place to record. Don't go to a noisy environment. Don't do your videos in a noisy environment. Yes, I prefer doing my videos broad daylight, but I prefer going to a quiet place, a room, and I'll just sit down there, tell my family members, oh, I want to go record a video, please, I don't need disturbance. So whatever you want me to do for it, please just let me know, so I'll go do them. So while I'm recording my video, when I'm doing my makeup and all of that, I'm ready for my video, nobody is going to disturb me. So they give me my space. If it's 2 hours, they give me, just go record your videos and come back and do the rest. Whatever you want to do, go to a quiet place to record your videos. Don't be in a noisy environment because you feel distracted. You tell your others, please pardon the noise, it's not cool, please pardon. No, you can't just be doing that in your videos. And please, your lighting, have a light. Do you have whether it's natural light and when everywhere is quiet? That is very, very important. So that's what I do before I record my videos. The third thing you need to do, please clean your lens. Clean your front lens, clean your back lens. It's very important. You don't want to be recording your videos in a very, very bad quality. I have a video I uploaded how I upload high quality videos on YouTube, so be sure to go check it out in my YouTube playlist, okay? Please clean your lens before you record. The fourth thing you need to do, set up your lighting, or you have to stack book and then put your phone and record the video. You're good to go. When I first started my YouTube, that's what I do. I'll just take most of my books, they are very big, chemistry and all that, just tuck it up and just put my phone on my tripod at everyday supermarket at Choba in Port Harcourt. Because it's like, was it 800 and something or 600 and something there is what I got. This is what I started using. Then before I finally got my ring light, which has a stand. The fifth thing, position of your phone. Please don't record the videos like this. This is like portrait mode. This is like straight up. Record your videos sideways. Horizontal. This is horizontal. Record sideways and your videos will come out alright sideways. Yeah, the sixth thing, whichever you feel comfortable, you can use your front camera to record or use your back camera to record. But for me, I use my front camera to record because I feel like when I want to pause it, I have to like go back and I will feel disorganized. So I just feel like recording and then I'll look at my camera in front of me, this dot here, not looking at myself to feel like, oh my god, this girl is so pretty, can't you see, oh my goodness. So you know, that kind of thing, that energy and that vibe. So I just concentrate here so you guys can connect with me. So please, whichever you feel comfortable, your front camera or your back camera, but be sure to clean it because we are always with our phones and then we tend to touch our cameras and then it becomes blurry and it won't look good. So please, whichever you feel comfortable, front or back camera. For me, front camera till I get a professional camera, then I know what to do. Yeah, seventh thing, everything is intact, you're done, you've cleaned your lens, you've gone to a quiet place, your lighting is good, whichever, if you come your front camera, your back camera, whichever you want to use, then that's where the whole magic happens. You record your video, which is the 8th step. Yeah, record your video. Stay, be professional, look at yourself, do your makeup, look good, and be confident. Don't be like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jufu. If you're new, you'll be bored. Like, why is she talking like that? I can't tell you what she's saying. No, please come on. You need to be confident with yourself. You need to look good. You need to like script your stuff. Like script it before you record. Once you press play, once you start recording your video, the nice thing, edit them. Which app do you want to use to edit? Which one do you feel comfortable? Which one is more easy for you? For Android, you can use VIDEOSHOP to record a video. You can use Viva Video. You can use KineMaster. There are a lot of apps that you can use to edit your videos. I use VIDEOSHOP. I use iMovie. So if you want me to make a video on how I edit my videos using my phone, my iPhone, for iPhone users and for Android users, be sure to like comment down so I will know. But the 10th step, take your thumbnail. Just like you stay. Whichever you come over, then take your thumbnail and then edit your thumbnail using Fonto, using PicArt, using erasers and all of that, those apps for like editing of thumbnails. So yeah, that's what you need to do. Then the 11th step, review your video. What I mean by review your video, watch your video. If you enjoy it, upload it. If you don't enjoy it, if you don't have this energy, and if you don't think that you want to watch the end to know what's gonna happen next, then my dear, that video is not good for upload. But if you actually enjoy it, you're just listening, you're getting all the info you need, you just went straight to the point, then my dear, that's where you just upload, which is the 12th step. Upload your videos. I have a video on that, how to upload clear quality videos. 5 basic things you need to do while you upload your video or before you upload your video. So be sure to check it in my YouTube playlist. These are the basic 12 things I do before I record my videos, and it has actually helped me so far. For me, it's just so easy. Just edit, and when I record my videos, I just edit. It won't even take me up to like 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes, or 1 hour. In fact, I'm done editing and then I upload. So that's just the basic things you need to do. If you do this, you will see that it will actually help you and you to use your confidence. You just know what you need to do and apply. So we've come to the end of this video. Please be sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down on videos you would love to see my channel. I'm open to suggestion, video suggestion, and yes, please subscribe, turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my upload or my premiere. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.